Why I love IMOTW school? Because when I was looking for some program for me, I am a senior citizen. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, and I was looking for some courses. Not looking for, in fact, I was scrolling, and I came across few courses which I purchased, and then I came across in between Mr. Avi Arya's course one day, and I was in a fix whether to join or not to join. This was a difficult situation because I had purchased few courses and I don't know which course to purchase, which course not to purchase. This was one of the things which was troubling me. So I attended the webinar of Mr. Avi Arya 2 times, 3 times, or perhaps more than that. And after a lot of follow up from his side, I finally bought a course for 99 rupees. Then second course was some 499 rupees, and third course was some 7999, and like that, and then 15999 or 15,000 something with the GST. I don't remember the exact figures. Like that, I have purchased some 4-5 courses. And what I tried to do is, I was not knowing what to do in that now. So one day I found one person recording a video at late night, 10-11 o'clock. I saw him. I had gone through that video completely, and next day I thought, let me also try if I can make 1 or 2 videos. And then the formula came, 3 videos a day, 15 a week, 60 a month, 720 a year. And उसको मैंने जकड़ लिया, पकड़ लिया, grab कर लिया. And then I started making videos on regular basis and started posting in the MVM gym. That was the group where I was posting those videos, and then I got noticed by people. I got noticed by the MVM team, and I was given that, what is that called, week. Some recognition was given, I don't know. And then that's how the journey started. Now I am attending all the regular sessions after that, making those videos regularly, and that has given me leads, sales, get known, get leads, get sales. This is how the journey started. Journey is continuing. It is interesting. It is the beauty is that he is a person, at late night also he'll say, get up and record a video of 3 minutes and post it right now. That is the type of instructions, or that is the type of guidance. And then he'll make everyone run and do that job. This is one of the positive thing, one of the good thing, though sometimes you may not like. He says, जैसे भी हैं, दाढ़ी बढ़ी हुई है, बाल बिखरे हुए हैं, टी शर्ट में हो, शर्ट में हो, कैसे भी हो, बेड पे हो, चेयर पे हो, पार्क में हो, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, just switch on the camera, switch on the phone, and start recording the video and post it. That was the thing that is the spirit where everybody does. And the buddy system, the buddy allotted to me was changed 2-3 times, and then he was not having time. Once my buddy partner called me late night and he said, I am driving. I said, you don't talk to me. I don't want you to put you in a unsafe position, unsafe situation where you are driving and talking to me. And I want, when you are free, then you should talk. But that person is so busy, he was not having time. So I was almost without a buddy partner for all that period. I was talking to a few friends like Ajay and Harshit and some more. इसका क्या नाम है, भार्गव, Samir Bhargav joined me sometime, and then he was sick, and still he is recovering from post-corona rehabilitation of lungs through the lung exercises he is doing. He is in Jaipur, And then that's all is coming to my mind at this time. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. I love IEMOTW and recommend, I support, I encourage people to join if you want to be online. That another concept of 4-minute video where you can without traveling, without moving anywhere, you can send those videos to your customers and get known, get lead, get sales. That is the very powerful principle. Some of these things are very attractive there in this school. The regular classes, the experts classes, though I am not very expert in those technical things which they are teaching, but I am attending all of them, and whatever little bit I can do, I am doing it. Wherever assistance is required, I am taking that assistance. Wherever help is required, people are helping, people are of helping nature. Avi himself is a very cooperative nature. Avi had one-to-one call also with me for half an hour, which was very interesting, which was very motivating. And let's hope for the best. Let's hope for IMOTW as school. Let's hope all the best to the students and those who will be joining the IMOTW family. This is what is the final message from my side. I am GS Anand signing out until we meet again. Thank you.